Welcome to today's video where we'll explore a special herbal remedy for strong, shiny and healthy hair using just 3 natural ingredients: Amaltas, beetroot powder and amla powder. And yes, many people think that Amaltas is used to color or dye the hair, but that's not true. Just come and watch this video fully and learn how to use it and what is the best way to use it and what is the true. These 3 ingredients are affordable, easily available and full of powerful benefits for your hair. Now it's time to note down the ingredients, the herbs. You have to take a small piece of Amaltas, 1 tablespoon amla powder, 1 tablespoon beetroot powder. This is Ratanjot. This is another herb. I'm just adding it. It is optional. It's called alkanet root. You will use a small piece of it. First, we will prepare the Amaltas pulp. Take 1 Amaltas pod, break it open. Inside, you will find a sticky black or brown pulp. Remove the pulp and throw away the seeds and outer shell. Soak the pulp in warm water or lukewarm water overnight with the 2 more ingredients, beetroot powder and amla powder. All these ingredients are ready. Now I'm going to add these all ingredients in 2 cups of warm water or lukewarm water. A small piece of Amaltas and 1 tablespoon amla powder, 1 tablespoon beetroot powder and this Ratanjot piece, a small piece you can take. It is optional and I have already told you that it is called alkanet root. You will add a small piece of it. In the morning you have to cook this mixture on the flame for 5 minutes. The last step is to strain the combination. Strain the water and discard the pulp. Save this water serum in fridge or freezer for long time. Now this Amaltas base is ready for you. We'll explain exactly what Amaltas does for your hair and how to use it the right way. Not for coloring but for deep hair nourishment and scalp care. So stay with us till the end. Let's now talk about the 3 ingredients you will need: Amaltas pod pulp, golden shower tree pod, beetroot powder, amla powder. This combination is completely natural and safe to use once or twice a week. Where to get these ingredients? The question is that you can easily buy these from herbal stores, pansari shops, Ayurvedic stores, online herbal marketplaces and local markets in South Asia. Look for trusted sellers who offer pure and chemical-free powders. Now let's see how to prepare and use them step by step. Now your Amaltas base is ready. This serum is just a kind of natural hair conditioner, cleanses your scalp, reduces inflammation and promotes blood circulation. Beetroot powder contains natural antioxidants and nitrates that improve blood flow to the scalp, strengthen hair roots and give your hair a natural shine and smoothness. It also helps reduce dandruff and dryness. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry. It's rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that nourish the hair roots, prevent hair fall and encourage new hair growth. After shampoo, apply this serum to your scalp and hair from roots to ends. Make sure every part is covered. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You can cover your hair with a shower cap or a cloth for the best result. After that, wash it off with lukewarm water. How often Should you use this? Use this serum twice a week for best results. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you will notice reduced hair dandruff, less hair fall, softer, shiner hair, healthier hair scalp. Now let's clear a common confusion. Many people think Amaltas darkens or colors the hair. That's not true. Amaltas is not a hair dye. It doesn't change the color of your hair, whether white or black. Its main job is to clean the scalp, reduce irritation, and nourish the roots. So please don't expect any color change, just enjoy the health benefits. Let's now review the benefits of each ingredient in this powerful hair remedy. Amalta's golden shower tree pod, or we call it Cassia Fistula, deeply cleanses the scalp and reduces itching and scalp infections, cools the head and soothes irritation, boosts hair growth naturally, makes hair soft and manageable. Beetroot powder. It is rich in antioxidants and iron, improves scalp blood circulation, fights dandruff and dryness, adds shine and smoothness to hair, strengthens weak hair roots. Amla powder, full of vitamin C and hair friendly minerals, reduces hair fall, prevents premature graying, encourages new hair growth, thickness hair over time. Here I am going to give you some bonus tips for best results. Always do a patch test first if you are using this for the first time. Store beetroot and amla powders in an airtight jar in a cool place. Drink enough water and eat healthy foods to support your hair from the inside too. Let's wrap it up using amaltas, also called the golden shower tree pod, along with beetroot powder and amaltas and amla powder, gives your hair a complete herbal treatment. It's not for dyeing your hair, but it's one of the best natural remedies for reducing hair fall, promoting hair growth, and improving hair texture. And the best part, it's safe, simple, and affordable. Do watch my and upcoming shorts about amaltas and other use for a throat problem solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home remedies and herbal wellness tips. Thanks for watching and take care of your beautiful hair naturally.